Hello, my lovely potatoes, and welcome back to a new video. This time with a bit of a shorter one, but hey, I hope you don't mind. I'm actually trying to get a bit of a video footage backlog so I can actually deliver you a video a week if even possible. So, I'm probably going to go for a few shorter videos then. And so I just need to do the voiceover, a little bit of editing here and there, and well, you get the idea. So, what I was thinking with this little froggo here is maybe doing some buttons and some stickers and maybe even going for postcards. Um, which I would then send out to my supporters and sponsors because people supporting me is something that I'm incredibly thankful for, and I always feel guilty because I feel like I'm not giving back enough, which annoys the hell out of me. And something that I need to do before I can actually attack this plan is to save up some money for a new printer, because the printer that I'm having currently is printing out in a quality that is not suitable for anything commercial. The colors are splotchy, they are not the way they should be, and I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but the printer is probably also at fault because, well, we're talking about an inkjet here. Inkjet printer are not good. I am actually toying with the idea of getting myself a color laser printer because they seem to be a bit better quality wise. I've already worked with a bit of a laser printer and, well, quality went way up. But I will see what kind of problems I will run into with that. So, yeah. I kind of wanted to do some buttons for my sponsors supporters and maybe some little button and sticker sets also on Etsy or maybe another shop. If you know any shops that or shop sites that give me the ability to just put out my work and then lets me send out my own work, or I don't know, something material, then please let me know. And in the meantime, I will just use Etsy or something like that. So we're talking, well, I'm probably kind of, yeah, I'm probably repeating myself quite a bit. So we're talking buttons, we're talking stickers, we're talking postcards. What else could I do? Maybe even go for small sketchbooks because I really enjoy bookbinding when I'm a bit on a downtime. So that might be interesting. Though not spiral bookbinding like the one that I'm using in this one. I'm more thinking about Coptic stitch and stuff like that. So I'm really enjoying doing some bookbinding. So I could maybe, if my skill set on that is getting better, I'm probably going for that too. About the little froggo that you're seeing there, the sketch of that one has been sitting around on my far bigger, or in my far bigger IKEA sketchbook that I got years ago. Probably for a few weeks, maybe 2 months or so, while I was just listening to some nice music by Stone Temple Pilots. I really enjoyed just putting on a whole album from my favorite artists and then just drawing what my brain is coming up with, because I let my brain just throw pictures at me that I'm going to draw when I'm listening to music. That's how I work. And yeah, that little frog just popped into my mind alongside with a few others that I'm not quite sure if I should paint those. And this is what came out of that. What I also did, what you're going to see right now, is I already did some test prints of the buttons and saw that the quality wasn't too good. So I guess I'm going to go with buttons, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.